and welcome back to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Michael. And this is my kitchen, and I think we believe we have little Ginger over here. Hi, Gija. And they love it. They know every time I'm cooking, they walk in here. Teddy boy. Did you leave my dog outside? Oh, no, there he is. Sorry. So there he is. You see, they like to come in here, but I don't like it because sometimes you can get burned. You know what I'm saying? But anyways. So today is Thursday, November 1st. Before I made, I had an episode of stuffed jalapeno and green pepper.
That's right.
With bacon, egg, and cheese. And the other one with the same, but instead of the cheese with tomatoes, the green peppers. And I kind of like took the pan that I put in the oven, and when I took it out, I put it with this hand. It was really red. The kids started saying, Mom, you're like crying and nothing happened. But no. It was really red, and the reason why I didn't get more red was because I inserted my hand directly into a bowl of ice cubes, and I put my hand in there, right, Michael?
That's right.
And then, like, for half hour, and then it was frozen, and I put Vaseline, and I wrapped it.
That's right.
So you got to take care of yourself. But anyway, guys, today I want to make, guys, pork tenderloins. This is what I did. As you can see, you see these two, like,
are we making the sauce?
bags? No, we're going to make the pork tenderloin. I'm going to sear it, and we're going to put it in the oven. And then after this is in the oven, then I want people to don't forget to wash it, because I'm going to make a video of the sauce that I'm going to be putting on my pork tenderloin. But as you can see, I bought it.
I think we made a turkey tenderloin around this time last year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway, I season it. This is pork. Salt and pepper.
Yes.
With a black pepper, like coarse. So you see, that way I can, when I grind it, yes.
Like peppercorns.
And salt, and regular salt. And it's been sitting there for like 2-3 hours. Right, Mike?
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me, Michael. Let me lower this. This is my corn. Sorry, people. But Michael's with that camera, like, he's going to, like, you know what I'm saying? Swallow me with that phone. Back up, boy.
Back in, back in.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to finish these in the oven, but back up that I might go on. I just want to color them. See, it is going to do that. I need it when that happens, you know? It's going to smoke. I just want to get a color in there, you know, real quick. And as soon as that color is in there, then I'm going to put them in a pan. Excuse me, Michael. You know what? I'm going to put them back in there where I had it, Michael. And then I'm going to finish them up in the oven. Okay? So once this is brown, I'm going to come back so you guys can see it when I turn them. So we're going to make like a little video of that as I turn them around and put them on the other side. When they're colored, we'll be right back. Or you know what? We'll be right back, and we can put them in the oven together. Okay? So don't go away, and I'll see you in like 4 or 5 minutes. Guys, this is very hot, as I told you, everybody. So I'm just searing it. That means that you see almost no oil, because I just want to brown it. It's still not cooked. So when I put it in the oven, they're nice and cooked. So we'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, you see how these are turned? Because you want these sides, you want it to be nice and cooked like that. You want that color. You see how that side is white? You see that one that I turned? So you want to make sure, and if you have tongs like these, so we're going to leave it there for 1 more minute. We're going to be right back, and they're going in the oven. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, so here we are. As you can see, you saw in the video, I turn them on around. So what I like to do when I make my pork tenderloins, even for Christmas, you know,
which is coming up.
Buying my pernil, you have to brown it before you put it in the oven. It's still not cooked. My oven is ready to go, and they're gonna go in there
on 375.
On 375 for half hour, and then after half hour, we're gonna come back, and I'm gonna cut them in medallions, and I'm gonna put the sauce that I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make. That will be in the next episode, so don't forget to watch that so you can learn how to make the sauce. And we'll be back in half hour. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. There's like 1 minute left, but I'm gonna take these out because I'm gonna slice them like I said before, and then I'm gonna, you see that liquid, how pretty? But what I'm gonna do now, put it back in there.
The slicing.
We're gonna put this on 400.
Of the pork tenderloins.
Leave it on 400. That smells really, really good. And like I say, you guys told me that I only season this with salt and pepper.
Yes.
So what we're gonna do here is, I don't wanna just slice, okay? Like this. Very softly. Because I don't want to, like, you know what I'm saying, really separate him from the bottom. But you see, it's still, this is pork, and pork needs to cook all the way. You see how it's glistening? Oh my God, that looks, smells so good, Mike.
That's right.
You know that?
It does.
You see? And
Are you gonna? I'm gonna have a lot. I'm gonna have a lot.
Yeah, just be careful because pork has to be cooked
All the way.
There you go. Look at Michael.
Yeah.
What is that thing, Michael? Put that back on. That. Yeah. So what we're gonna do, guys, is, excuse me, Michael. Okay, you wanna put this so people can see me?
I put it on. I was put it on the oven for you.
Okay. So I'm gonna put that meat sliced like that back in there. And these, they usually sell them, these things where I'm cooking. They have them in, they sell them out for restaurants and stuff like that. And they're very good. Restaurants use them a lot.
Yes.
Those you can bake. You can actually make rice and those. Those are
They usually
really
serve
good.
it with potatoes.
They're a little bit
or...
expensive, but these are, you can find them like in a restaurant depot. Or you can order them online. I'm talking about these baking things.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So you see, they look like medallions. That's why I say like medallions. And I love meat because it's kind of like slice, and it makes you start thinking about Thanksgiving and Christmas.
That's right.
And like all that delicious smell that they have for, you know. So very carefully, you want to be very carefully and drop that back in there. Now, that little sauce that you guys saw there, see that little sauce? We're gonna marinate it. You see how I'm doing it, what I'm doing? I'm like, thing there. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna brush. Where's my brush, Mike? There you go. We're gonna brush this with that delicious sauce that I showed you in the other video. Here it is. See?
Yep. Link is in the description down below if you haven't seen it.
It's really good. And then we're gonna serve it with some corn that I have over there, right, Michael?
That's right.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this back in the oven for another 20 minutes. In between, I'm gonna be going in, you know, I'm gonna put it on 400 because I want this to finish cooking fast. And I'll see you in 15 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us. You know what to do. Thanks for watching. This is going in now, and soon we're gonna be eating some pork tenderloin medallions with some homemade sauce that I made just from Cindy's kitchen. Thanks for watching, and I hope you come right back. So we're back, and I'm gonna take it out before time because when I was slicing it, it didn't look pink to me at all. But remember that it is pork, and pork needs to be cooked all the way
through. So good, Mom.
So what I'm gonna do, guys, is we're gonna take this out right now. You gotta move, Michael, because how am I gonna take it out? I know, but just want to get my pork out.
Beautiful.
And now my tenderloin. I'm gonna put it right in this beautiful plate that I like.
All right.
I'm gonna put it up there. Let me bring that
Beautiful,
here.
beautiful.
And what I did was, with some of the sauce, I put it in this little mason jar, and then I have a little bit left here. As you guys can see, you know, for everybody to look at. Yeah. And then we're going to put this over here. Because now what I'm going to do is we're going to bring that out. Right, Mike?
It smells so good.
I don't want to get burned or anything like that. You know?
You know, you could have just taken a fork.
No, what I'm going to do is I got to take this. Because I'm very good with my big slot spoons. Even if it breaks a little, it doesn't matter because this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna add it up. See? That's how it is, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Take that out a little bit that goes back there. Right there. So it can look pretty, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
We want this to look, I don't want it to break. It's best. Hold on a second. Just stay there. Pray. There you go. We made it, Michael. What? Be careful because this is very hot. I need you to move, bud. So what I'm going to do, okay, this is from the same grease that it cooked in, you know. So this is the sauce, which you guys can really see it right there. See? And this is my pork tenderloin. I'm gonna taste a little piece that was back here. That looks cooked to me all the way. What do you think, Michael? You see? Clear and tender. You see it?
That's right.
Do you see any like red meat in here at all?
Nope.
No, right?
Nope. Look, everybody.
Okay. So that was really nice and fully cooked. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe, follow the instructions. It's a little piece of the side skin. I'm gonna eat it. Follow the instructions. Don't drink and drive. You can make it just like that. Just make sure you sear it, salt and pepper, and then the sauce is what makes everything. So with that, guys, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google Plus, on
Tumblr.
Tumblr. I keep on forgetting, but one day, Michael, watch. I'm not gonna forget. I'm gonna remember it all. But we're done. I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm just trying to eat this, guys. Sorry that I'm doing that. I love you all. Don't drink and drive. Don't forget to touch the notification bell. So every time we do these videos, which is sometimes they're spontaneous, because I really don't know when I'm gonna record, depending on how busy I am or not. And I will notify you, and you guys can come real quick and tune in. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go. Love you all. Take care of yourself. Don't drink and drive.